Good evening, class. Tonight we're going to talk about perimeter and measures of a circle. So, what is a perimeter? The perimeter is the distance around a polygon. Notice that a polygon is a pretty general term, which means, remember, it means many-sided object. So let's look at our first example. We have this rectangle, and the length is 3 centimeters and the width is 2 centimeters. So I want to find the distance around. And in order to do that, my perimeter, which we use the letter P, equals, I have to add up all my sides. Well, I have 2 sides that are 3 inches plus 2 sides that are 2 inches. Oops, that's not a very good plus sign. And that's going to give me 10 centimeters. Okay, so we can make a formula for perimeter. And that is P equals 2 times length, and I'm going to use a cursive L, plus W. And I use a cursive L because I don't want my L to look like a number 1. And this is an example of the distributive property. So we can either do the problem in the parentheses, or we can distribute. We can write it this way: 2 L's plus 2 W's. Either way, we will still get the same answer. Okay, sometimes we have special polygons that are called regular polygons. And a regular polygon is a polygon where all of the sides are equal length. Let's look at an example. This is an equilateral triangle, so it is a polygon with all equal sides. Let's look at another polygon. This is a hexagon, and its sides are 6 inches. And here we have a pentagon, and its sides are each 2 feet. So let's figure out what the perimeter of each one of these would be. Okay, so perimeter here equals 4 plus 4 plus 4, or I could do 3 times 4 since I have 3 sides. And that's going to be 12 centimeters. Well, here I have a hexagon. I don't want to write all of that addition problem. So I have 6 sides. 6. So I'm going to take 6 times 6, and that's going to give me 36 inches. Now here I have the pentagon. My perimeter is 5 times 2. It's going to give me 10 feet. It is very important to note that perimeter is just the unit measurement. It's not squared, it's not cubed, because it is a 2-dimensional shape and we're just going around the outside edge. Next, we're going to talk about measures of a circle. Okay, so we need to talk about some parts that our circle has. First off, the middle, the point in the middle is called the center. The distance across the circle through the center point is called the diameter. And then the radius is the distance halfway from the outside of the circle to the center point. Now we have a couple things that we need to talk about. The distance around our circle is called the circumference. Okay, circumference. Okay, and if you want to figure out the diameter, but you know the radius, the diameter is 2 radiuses put together, so the formula for that is D2R. Now you try. Pause the video and work these problems. And there are your answers. If you have any questions, ask tomorrow.